Welcome back, my fellow bosses, to another episode of Cigar Boss. Today, we're going to do an unboxing. This is going to be for everyone. We have a survival kit. My next episode is coming up. We're going to do the 30th anniversary of Gurkha. You guys are going to watch me do that. A Spyderco serrated edge knife, blunt tip. It's made so basically the salt and things cut open. Make sure the tip doesn't get you. Whoa! Look at that! Comes in a nice fancy velvet container or sack. Sorry. Pretty nice. Almost too fancy for survival. Oh. What? Okay. Did not expect that. That is it. It looks like you have a little water bottle carrier. You can snap that part onto your tool belt or regular belt. So looks like it snaps right there. Let's give this a open. There you go. Looks like it's Velcro and a button. Snap. So you just put this part on your belt. Snap it over, you'll be able to hold your drink, take your drink apart, snap back together. Whoa, look at this. This is a spork that is also a whistle. A loud whistle. I don't know if this comes apart. Does it? Yes, it does. You have your knife. It looks, feels nice and sharp. You have the serrated back. You have the hook right there, so you're able to open your bottles. No problem. And as you see, the little tip right there, a little bit sideways. That's just, you can use it for screwdriver, you know, if you need it on the fly. That's pretty cool. This is pretty cool. Let's see if we can put this back together. Just push it in. Very nice. Girls, what do you think? Very nice?
Yes.
Mylar emergency blanket. You see these in a lot of survival kits. If you're putting together a survival kit, so far everything I see in here is pretty much stuff you're going to want in there. You're going to want a knife. You're definitely going to want a spork with a knife. Mylar emergency blanket. Now let's open this up. Okay, so you have top. There's 4 tabs. Yes, you know, if you really need it. Oh, look at this. Look at this. So you have your little saw chain. The way this works is you untangle it, you take each end, and you're going to rub it together until you saw through whatever you're trying to cut through. My girls are probably going to take it to get the jewelry. What do you think, huh? Okay.
So funny.
You girls want to see it?
Yes.
Come on over. Take a look, see? Here, look. Here, too. Yeah, here. Take one to the spoon. Fishing line. You have your line, you have your lures. Oh, that's pretty cool. You have your weights, you have your hooks, and you even have your little fake bait. Look at that. Is it glow in the dark? It glows. Yeah, I think you'll definitely be able to catch something with that. It looks like you have 2 lines, so you don't have to worry about losing one. Go ahead, ladies. Go ahead, step to the side. I will call you back as soon as we find other stuff.
Okay.
Oh, and looks like you have 4 wicks, 4 pieces of wick. Okay? What you're gonna do with this is you're gonna crumble it up, and then you start your spark, and it catches fire. Well, you know I gotta go straight to the knife, and you have your knife. Assisted, fairly sharp, with serrades at the end. You have your window punch on one side. You have your seatbelt cutter. You have your little clip. So this is pretty decent. Seems there's nothing special about it. It is very nice though. It's nice to have. This is definitely something that you're going to need if you're creating your survival kit, right? What else do we have here? We have screwdriver kit. Phillips, flathead. You have your little keychain, comes with. It's pretty nice. Super important, flashlight. Is it battery? Need to put a battery in here. What's this? Okay. So it looks like it telescopes for adjustment. Unscrew the back end. And looks like AA? Is it one single AA? Yeah. Looks like a single AA battery. We have a survival tactical pen. I guess this is all more than survival. I guess this is more like self-defense. It seems like. This one you have your punch at the end. Okay. Again, very simple. When the shooter comes at you, you knock them in the skull. They will stop. They will stop their approach. Let's see, how do we work this pen part? Looks like the pen part has a little gel so it doesn't dry out. So I won't even bother with that. But that is very good. I was actually trying to see if there was maybe a way it opens where maybe there's something else in there. I don't think there is. I think that's it. That's all that there is to it. Nice, Tactical survival pen. Girls, you want to come check out
Okay.
the D-ring?
It's so cool.
Tactical pen, be careful with that.
You can actually draw.
Yes, you can write with it. Still a pen.
Right with it. Oh, it's actually good. Very nice.
Striker. Right here we have our striker. It's good that it's together. This part right here has a ruler. Has your little bottle opener. And I don't know what this end would be used for. If any of you guys know, comment below. Let me know. Because I'm always curious myself. It could be for the striking end. Let's see. No. Yeah, I see a spark there. There you go. So, could possibly be what it's for. Please. Set this aside, please. You guys can stay right here. Just back and forth back there. And your telescopic straw. No, not straw. It's just a little whip, okay? So if you need it out, you need to keep it away from you. It's a quick strike. Nah, I'm gonna keep that away from them. I think that's probably a good idea. What do you guys think? And let's see what else we got here. Oh, this is awesome. So we have here is a 550 cord bracelet with compass, little saw, striker. Striker goes together right there, and a whistle. I've been wanting one of these things, so I'm happy that this came into the little package there. Let's get that on. Let's get our survival spoon away. You have your compass, glowing outside ring. Let's see if this works. Yeah, they're almost on point. Both compasses almost match. I do love the brass finish on this. I feel like it looks very nice. Looks like something you want to keep. Maybe hand down. Did we go over this already? I don't know. Wonderful little survival multi-tool. Back tells you everything that it has. These things are awesome because they're thin. You put them in your wallet. You fit them in your vehicle. It doesn't take up a whole lot of room. Cabo Wabo is one of my favorite tequilas when it comes to tequila brands. we are going to try the, whatever the Rocks brand tequila it is. Is it Terravana? Something like that? Maybe Terramana? Whatever it is, let's try that. That is nice and smooth. Love that stuff. And that is pretty much everything. The girl's favorite seems to be the self-defense pen. It's my favorite thing out of the whole thing is the bracelet and your survival spoon. These are two good things to keep in your survival kit. I think I put everything back properly here. Let's see. Close. Seems to have closed up pretty well. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We want to give a special thanks to Angie's Creative Tumblers. I'll leave. I'll leave a description down below of where you can purchase beautiful cups like this and other tumblers as well. Is there anything else you want to say, Xander? What would you like to say? Yes. Go there. And please visit our site, 8corpmedia.com. It's up and running. You'll be happy with what you see. Cigar Boss, out.